best years I ever knew. For all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again.
Your hands off the season.